from Jamaican Caribbean Cuisine. We have brown stew chicken.
I need to say something.
Oh my God, watch out. Oh my God, that looks so good. So you got cabbage, plantain, rice, beans, and the brown stew is fire. Okay, so that's that one. Then you have the jerk chicken. It is hot. I did not expect this. So mine came with cabbage and plantain too. Okay. Look at that. Oh, you can smell it. That smells so fire. You got your rice and beans. And then macaroni. This food is fire. Bro. Rice and beans. Cabbage. Mommy. Plantain, ready?
Mommy, is the rice spicy too?
No. What you think?
Do you have a bowl?
A bowl? A bowl. A bowl, no. Kevin doesn't do that.
Macaroni? Yeah.
One?
Oh. Kevin, why do you keep
Cabbage.
Seat go?
Uh-oh. I'm wasting on you. Okay, first macaroni. No? You can say no. Cabbage. You want chicken?
Grab a seat.
The chicken is spicy. Spicy?
You eat spicy food?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't touch it.
No. You think about it?
Like it's jerk sauce or something.
I was trying to figure it out, but you can taste it on there though.